Hello friends, welcome to Stable Turning Point. This is the part number 10 of Behavioral Finance and Behavioral Economics series video. In the part number 9, I have explained about rationality as per a traditional economic, and in this video I will explain about rationality as per behavioral economics and behavioral finance. So as you have seen the learning objective, we will discuss about what is the rational decision, that is rationality, what are the 4 C's of rationality, and what is the bounded rationality. In behavioral finance and behavioral economic, we study the various types of biases in decision making process. These biases, when comes in the decision making process, our decisions become irrational decision, and irrational decisions are not as per standard economic theory. These biases may be cognitive bias or emotional bias. If you don't know about these two types of bias, that is cognitive bias or emotional bias, watch the part number 4 of this video series. Links are given in the description box. Well, it is always said to avoid irrational decisions and choices. So now we must know what is the rational decisions, what is the rational choice. There are 4 C's of rationality as per a behavioral economic, and it is applied for rational decisions, rational choices or rational thinking, whatever we say. So 4 C's are completeness, cognition, computation and consistency. Completeness is referred for information, all the outcomes and associated probabilities, all the future events that are relevant to the decision, all the contextual factors needed to be interpreted. We should also collect, check and analyze the information of the context on which we are taking the decision. So second C is the cognition. Cognition is the ability to think without emotion, because emotion is the biggest barrier in rational decision making process. Now if you ask me what is the emotion in behavioral economic, it may be regret, a potential regret, guilt or sympathy. Computation is about processing of information. We need to calculate the utility of options and choices and alternatives. The fourth and last C is about consistency. So consistency should be with the choices. Like if we choose a specific choice, then it should be automatically show another choice inferior and it should be rejected. That's why it is called self-evident process. I hope now you are comfortable about rationality. So I must explain you about the bounded rationality. Now you ask me what is the bounded rationality. So this concept was proposed by Herbert Simon. He called it bounded because there are limits to our thinking capacity, available information and time. This bounded rationality gives the idea that in decision making process, individual is limited by the informations they have, the cognitive limitations of their minds and the finite amount of time they have to make a decision. When bounded rationality exists, people use rule of thumb and approximations. This was all about the rationality as per behavioral economic. If you like the information shared in this video, then please hit like and share the video. Also subscribe the YouTube channel for getting notifications of upcoming video. You can also follow me on the Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Links are given in the description box. So see you in the next video.